Hi guys, I'm Renee and today I'm making you my eggplant and zucchini lasagna. The first thing I did was slice the eggplant and zucchini lengthwise into approximately 1/4 inch slices. Make sure your knife is sharp because this will make the job easier and safer. Take your time. You can also use a mandolin if you prefer. Once that was done, I put the slices on a rack and liberally salted the veggies to draw out excess moisture. I set the veggie strips aside for 30 minutes and let the salt do its thing. Next, I placed some toasted bread into a baking dish and topped each slice with provolone cheese. In a large skillet, I browned 1 pound of Italian sausage and then added a bunch of chopped garlic. To that I added some dried basil and oregano, crushing them in my hands to release more flavor. I also added some minced red onion along with 2 jars of prepared marinara. Of course, homemade can also be used. I made sure to get every last bit out of the jars by adding some water and giving it a good shake. I simmered the sauce gently for 10 minutes and then removed it from the stove. Oh, let's not forget the Worcestershire. Next, I took some paper towels and blotted all the water from the vegetables, and I also sprinkled them with cracked black pepper. I layered the strips of zucchini on top of the cheesy toast. And then I spread the sauce evenly over the top of the zucchini. I followed that with the eggplant slices. More provolone, some shredded mozzarella cheese, sauce, and then of course, more cheese. It baked in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour, and then I let it rest for about 30 minutes before serving. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. For the full printable recipe, please visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.